Hi there, my name is Henry Tenby with JetFlix TV. Welcome to Vnukovo Airport, Moscow, home of Iron Curtain classics. Our JetFlix TV videographer, Chris Mack, attended a special aviation enthusiast airport tour visit. His mission was to film all the famous classic Soviet aircraft that were still in service, but at the end of their lives, while they were still flying in and out of Moscow. Most of the Yaks, Tupolevs, and Ilyushins that we see in this video are retired today, but it sure is great to have this as a video documentation of how these aircraft once were in service in large numbers in the Soviet Union and Russia up until the mid-2010-2015 era. Click on the link on the upper right-hand corner of this video and you can create an account at JetFlix TV where you can watch the full version of this video and hundreds of other classic aviation videos.